Hello guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you how you can find the smirk filter on TikTok. So to get this effect you have to go here. This is the effects gallery. Okay, now I'm in trending. Here slide right until you see funny. Tap on funny. Now remember this image. This is the filter. Tap on it and that's it. And if you are not finding the filter here, then you can go to discover and here you can search for smirk filter, and these are the video with the filter. You can tap on the yellow filter icon at the left corner of the screen and you will be directed to the effect page. From here you can add it to your favorites, and at the bottom of the screen you can see the record button. You can tap there and from there also you can use this filter. So that's it guys. Likewise you can use this filter on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.